Hello, everybody. Dr. Jackson here, video 2, help with discipline. Over the course of my almost 2 decades now, there are some fundamental reasons why referrals are written and why kids get asked to leave class and get tired. Number one, that's very common is that when the kid makes it to the office, the kid will consistently say, the teacher don't like me. Two, the kid doesn't like the teacher. All right. The kid don't like the teacher. So they're always in conflict. 3, academic sin. The teacher's boring. Now, the thing that's so weird is I'm really amazed at how many people don't know they're boring. Unbelievable. Like, so you bore the kid is disengaged. And so now they're off doing something else. And then it just gets done. Right. Number 4, poor adult supervision. You would be shocked. I cannot tell you the amount of cases that I have where teachers, adults have not supervised children and something happened in the class. Now, I don't know what's going on in the world. I know we don't have coverage. I know this is not, I know this is real. It's dangerous. So the adult doesn't supervise the kid. Something happens. And then we got a situation. I'm telling you only what I know because that tape don't lie. Poor adult supervision. 5, jellyback principle. What does that mean? That's where we have a principal who doesn't back the staff. And it's kind of like the staff doesn't feel the person supports them. Why? Because the kids can kind of get out of stuff. And always remember, as a principal, the way discipline works is that you always have to appear as you would support your staff. If you don't, it'll create problems for you on the back end. You can always correct people one-to-one, but in front of children, it's like we have to be on the same page. And when that doesn't show and we have principals that'll rescind discipline or rescind things that they said that they will do because a parent comes up there or it's a certain kid or certain family, jellyback, you lost. And then number 6, unsupportive discipline policies, meaning your policy does not help you. You have a policy that actually encourages the kid to keep going. For example, I have one school that does not suspend for fighting. They go right to the restorative circle. Okay. You know, first of all, I'm a proponent of the restorative circle. Okay. Always support it. At the same time, if you don't think that there must be feedback for your actions, I mean, you're talking about fighting. I mean, it was a one situation had an all-out drag out, right? They in a restorative circle back in school the next day. That's mismanaged. I can tell you that all night. It's just not how it works. The discipline policies have to be a deterrent for the action, or you creating more of the action. It's not hard to understand, right? It's a reinforcement that nothing's going to happen. Or that's what's going to happen, and I can deal with that consequence. That's the brutal reality of looking at discipline, looking at what works, what doesn't. So you got to kind of know the reasons, right? So for your campus, what's number 1? What is the top 2 of these 6? When you can deal with that, then you're ready to take the next step. I'll see you in video 3.